Hello, my name is Matthias. I'm a German master baker and bread sommelier. I'm working for IREKS, and today I would like to show you our new product, our IREKS sourdough bread mix. We have a 50% concentrate, which includes a wheat sourdough, dried with the best process to keep all the nice fermented flavor inside and to give you the right taste in your product. In general, you can use it for any kind of dough and you can use it for any recipe you want. We suggest to either do it directly or you can also ferment it overnight, and the best thing is you can also work with a poolish. Even this could be included in your recipe and you're really flexible. You will just achieve the best sourdough bread you can get. Now I will show you the product. We were baking here a beautiful bread, as you can see, with a nice rustic look, a beautiful color on the outside, nice and caramelized from the crust on the outside, and what a beautiful flavor. You should just try it. The good thing is, you can even do baguettes with it, and this is also a nice recipe. I will show you the inside. From outside it looks also quite nice and rustic, and from the inside the perfect open texture. Nice and shiny, open pores. Just give it a try. So now it's your turn and try our product.